My name is James Ross, and um, 5 years from now, I'd like to. I might potentially have more than one position, but primarily I'd like to be establishing, if not already established, having my own private practice, and doing a lot of marriage and family counseling. Um, and I would make sure that sex positive perspectives, just reminding everybody how important it is, not to be gender specific or make assumptions. That's something that I really learned a lot about in this class. Just, reviewing some stuff that I've actually experienced and some things that I've said, or some ideologies that I've had growing up. But I would just make sure that all the processes are just, gender neutral instead of saying, him or her, just being sure that you always ask how clients want to be identified. Um, and, working with older adults, um, this is interesting because, I did it before at work. Um, just having conversations with them when I used to investigate like elder abuse. So just in general, I just want my office space, or anytime that somebody's talking to me, I want them to feel like they can really open up, and that not just that the space is safe, but that I am somebody that they can trust. It's really important for me that people know that, they can trust me and I will not be judgmental. So, just encouraging people and validating their experiences, um, and being, out front and open with them and letting them know, like, listen, this is not somewhere. I don't want my you know clinic to, or my practice to be somewhere that people go to get fixed, but rather to just help them figure out how to live with whatever they're going through. Helping them figure out how to live through whatever it is that they're going through. And as far as like comprehensive sexual education, I feel like sometimes it might be necessary to, refer people to other sources. And then depending on the ages of the families, I may want to, I always generally like to separate, the parents from their teens or their adolescents, because I don't want it to seem like I am, supporting one or the other more than the opposite family. So I don't want it to be like, oh, you're supporting my kids and you're not really listening to me, or vice versa. So I generally now I already like separate them, especially when they're having issues, just so that I can, work with each group independently and help them maybe understand the perspective of the other party involved. Um, Now, as far as contraceptives, I don't right now. I don't see myself giving out condoms or any kind of contraceptive devices, but I would definitely refer them to somebody else or somewhere else. I would definitely give information and everything, but I just don't personally feel like I want to be handing this 16-year-old condoms and telling them like, yeah, safe sex is the best. Um, Unless I discuss that with their parents, maybe I might feel more comfortable. But as of today and right now, I really don't feel like it. It will be appropriate for me at this point in time. Um, a burning human sexuality question that I still hope to have answered in this course. I feel like the course did a really great job at covering so many different topics and areas and just kind of touching each one individually. And allow me to actually delve into that world of sexuality. And the sexual circles are awesome. Um, and I just feel like if it was one question that I would like to have um, answered, I'm sorry, I would like to I would like to know more about older adults and sexuality and their experiences. Um, I feel like, in all fairness, being a teen and going through a lot of stuff I didn't share in the class, but there's a lot of stuff that I have experienced, my friends have experienced that I've seen. So it's kind of like I've been there and I've done that. I'm more curious to know about, the older population, and what is that like. Um, so that's it. I appreciate you watching my video, and um, best of luck in your future endeavors. Thank you.